13th snow day!
It's everywhere!
As you can see, it's snowing really, really hard! Logan, are you dead yet?
No.
Logan, are you dead yet?
No.
Am I dead yet? No, I'm not.
Fans, sorry said snow day. It's actually called blizzard. Link to his channel right here. Now, yeah, bring it to me.
Hello, my friends! It is a blizzard! You can't see it, but it is! Oh, sweet! Whoa! And that's why we love the Glen that is Forrest. We all love this Glen, and it's not even in a forest.
Sam, what do you want to say? Pick up his phone.
What?
My dad won't freaking pick up his phone.
What? I can't. Since we have little kid viewers, probably. No, since my cousins watch this, I cannot say it.
Yes. This is age appropriate. You must
Look at me! Blizzard! Jay, what do you have to say about this blizzard?
Snow day!
What do you have to say about the blizzard?
Oh yeah, baby. Let's go.
What do you have to say about the blizzard?
Oh my god! We're gonna die, Jay.
Prototype! What do you have to say about the blizzard?
Sucks.
Brandon, what do you have to say about the blizzard? Oh, hello. Brandon, remember, I'm loaded. That's why I have a golden logo. What do you have to say about this blue? Oh my god.
I have to say this is an awesome day, and my name is Pyro Phoenix 624, but I'll be Pyro Phoenix 24 because that's my favorite number.
Yeah, my hand is freezing.
So is
And my screen is all wet. So, thank you fans for watching. And we will leave with the massive spin.
This is a wonderful night.
Where all the drama happens. And we are awesome.
Guys, what do you say about the blizzard?
What do you have to say about the blizzard?
Hey, okay, we're not putting that on YouTube.
Hey, Drew, take a picture of me. No.
We're putting it on YouTube.
And that's where all the drama happens. In the forest that it's in a glen.
Dude, the bus still hasn't come yet, because that's why I'm like,
In the forest that is in a glen. We're at Forest Glen. Forest Glen.